Okay, this is the final video covering solving percent problems, which can be found on page 544. So if we look at 544, there's a couple of problems I'm going to work through with you. They're going to deal with commission, sales, and discount. Okay? Hopefully you know that maybe you know someone who works on a commission job, but a commission is earning a percentage of the sales that you have. So car salesman, furniture salesman, cosmetics, a lot of your sales jobs are that way. And sometimes you can make pretty good money that way. But if we look at example 2, it talks about Carrie, who's earning commission, and it shows how she goes through that solution. So we're going to look at your term number 2, and it's about Todd. And Todd earns 20% commission on the sale of medical equipment. If Todd received $3,857.79 as a commission, what was his total sale? Okay, the commission will be the part. Just like your sales tax is going to be the part, and your discount is going to be the part. Okay? I like to use the proportion, so that's just the method I'm going to use. If you want to use the equation, you can do that, and we should end up with the same answer. So Todd earned 20%, so I know 20 is going to go over 100. And then remember, it was part over whole. Well, if his commission was $3,800.38.57 and 79 cents, that's his part. We don't know the whole. So to solve this, we're going to multiply $38,857.79 times 100, and then divide it by 20, and we should get, looks like I got $19,288.95. So I took 3,857.79 times 100 divided by 20. Okay, so then this is the amount of sales. There's our commission example. Let's look at a sales tax example. See if we can find one of those. Well, let's go to I thought we had a sales tax example. We're all on commission. Oh, you know what? We do. It's in the next lesson. I forgot. Okay. Sales tax. Let's look at page 560, number 2. It's about a guitar. Okay? A guitar is priced at $585.95. And we need to find the sales tax and the total amount of the purchase if the tax rate is 6%. Okay? Well, I know my percent, so it's 6 over 100 equals $585.95. Is that the whole or the part? It's the whole. 585.95. So I need to find the part. So 585.95 times 6 divided by 100. Okay? 585.95 times 6 divided by 100, and I get this. When we're talking about money, we only go 2 decimal places. So should it be 15 cents or 16 cents? It's going to be 16 cents. So $35.16. Okay? Now that's the tax. Is that the total price of his purchase? No. This is how much he's got to pay in tax. So now we have to take $585.95 plus $35.16 $585 plus 35.16, 621.11. Now, there is another method you can do, and we'll talk about that in class. Discount will be very similar to this. You'll find the discount the same way, and then this price would be the discount. That number would be the discount, and then when it's a discount, we would take it away. Okay? Those are the typical kind of problems you're going to be doing. I want to just do one other type of problem with you. And that's a problem like example 4 on page 546. It's talking about Letitia answering 52 questions correctly on a test with a total of 60 questions. What percent of the questions did she answer correctly? And they go through the process there. We're going to do your turn number 4. Out of 286 students taking a foreign language at a certain school, 234 passed. What percent passed? Okay, so it might be helpful if you do this. When we set up a proportion, we have percent, part, whole. And that'll help you fill in what's missing. So it says, out of 286 students, I saw the word of. So 286 is going to be my whole. 234 passed, so that's my part. I'm missing percent, so that should be the question they're asking. What percent passed? Question mark. So then I go set up my proportion. Percent, we don't know, over 100 equals part, which is 234, over whole, which is 286. So I take 234 times 100 divided by 286. Here we go. 234 times 100 divided by 286. And I get this. The repeating decimal. So about, this is the approximate sign, 82%, or about 81.8%. I would take either answer. Okay? All right, that concludes our percentage videos, and we'll discuss more and answer questions in class.